Design number 1. Looking for something unique? This henna design might just be perfect for you. Number 2. Make a statement with this design. It's both stylish and timeless. Number 3. This design offers a blend of tradition and modern flair, a top-notch choice. Number 4. Embrace sophistication with this meticulously crafted henna design. It's a standout option. Number 5. Discover the allure of this henna design, a perfect blend of sophistication and charm. Number 6. Unveil elegance with this captivating design, a sublime choice to adorn yourself. Number 7. Embrace the richness of culture with this symbolic henna design, a meaningful selection for any moment. Number 8. Delight in the intricate patterns of this design, a masterpiece of artistic flair. Number 9. Immerse yourself in the tradition of the design, a timeless symbol of grace. Design number 10. Celebrate individuality with this unique mehndi design, a distinctive choice for self-expression. Thank you for watching. Please share your favorite designs in the comments. And, to stay updated with our latest weekly videos, we invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel.